Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a truly intelligent home cleaning powerhouse, the Eureka J15 Evo Ultra self-emptying robot vacuum combo. This isn't just a regular robot vacuum, it's a complete floor care ecosystem designed to clean, mop, dry, and manage itself, so your floors stay spotless and your hands stay free. Let's start with performance. The Eureka J15 Evo Ultra delivers a staggering 22,000 pascals of suction power, making it one of the strongest robot vacuums in its class. Whether it's pet hair, dust, or fine debris hidden deep in your carpet fibers, the J15 Evo Ultra picks it all up effortlessly. Its intelligent suction adjustment ensures maximum cleaning efficiency across carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles, automatically optimizing power to match the surface type. But where this device truly stands out is its auto mop lifting and scrubbing system. Unlike basic mopping bots, it features an active pressure scrubbing pad that effectively removes sticky messes and stains, while its auto mop lift feature prevents carpet wetting during transitions. It's smart enough to know when to lift, when to scrub, and when to switch to vacuum-only mode. After cleaning, it doesn't stop there. The self-emptying dock automatically collects all debris into a large dust bag, which can hold weeks of dirt. The system even uses 131 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying technology to sanitize and dry the mop pads, preventing odor or bacterial growth. That means true hands-free maintenance, no more dealing with damp, dirty pads after every cycle. Navigation is next level thanks to its advanced LiDAR laser mapping, which creates real-time 3D maps of your home for precise route planning. You can customize cleaning zones, set no-go areas, and schedule cleanings right from the Eureka app. Integration with Alexa and Google Assistant also allows full voice control, making it even more convenient. Designed with a sleek, modern finish, the Eureka J15 Evo Ultra doesn't just perform like a pro, it looks premium too. The dual-side brushes, large water tank, and long-lasting battery provide up to 180 minutes of runtime, ensuring it can clean large homes in one go. If you're tired of juggling vacuums, mops, and manual cleaning, this robot does it all: vacuuming, scrubbing, emptying, drying, and sanitizing. It's the ultimate combination of power, intelligence, and automation. Buy it now on Amazon, link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more tech that upgrades your everyday life.